Right, a bit of a different start to the video, but today we're doing chest and try and shoulders. Bit of a different gym today, as you can probably tell, but yeah, let's give it a go.
It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. It's been a while since I first saw you. It's been a while since I've been standing on my own 2 feet again. It's been a while since I could call you.
Here you go, mate. I nearly just died, but I mean it's fine. We'll do a drop set, and yeah.
Since I couldn't say I love myself as well. It's been a while since I've gone fuck things up just like I always do. And it's been a while, but all that shit seems to disappear when I'm with you. And everything I can't remember. It's fucked up as it all may seem. The consequences that I've got.
One more. One more. Cheers, bro.
Good job. What's that, bro?
Appreciate it, bro.
Well done, man.
Cheers. Nearly died another time. I've never been to this gym before, but so far so interesting, and yeah, let's give this another try. It's very wobbly, so it's a bit hard to control, so I had to go down a weight, but sounded like I got an orgasm from that. Alright. I've learnt these from Sam Select. Taking a bit of inspo from him, because I mean just fucking look at the guy, you can tell he's put a lot of hard work and effort into his physique, but there's nothing wrong with going going down to a smaller weight. If you lift heavy, you shouldn't be embarrassed. It's just, I feel like sometimes it's better to work out with a good weight, love with the low weight. Reps. And you know what, I can feel them pecs so much. You know what? Let's do another set of those. Then we need to move to triceps because I've not got much time there left before it shuts down. So finish these, some triceps and some incline, and we should be good to go. Get a little pump going. It all in my mind. Do I have a negativity? Cause I can't justify the way everyone is looking at me. Nothing to gain, hollow and alone. And the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Face all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something. I'm actually starting to sweat my tits off. You can see on my face, so the camera's good enough. But I am sweating my tits off. It's probably a good thing. It means I'm working hard, so I can't really complain. Do some lateral raises. Get the side delts. When you do these, you want to really clench your butt. And trust me, it feels so much lighter. Not only that, you can control it more. Another set of these bad boys. And then, I don't know, to be fair, I might have to continue my session in a different gym. We'll see how it goes. But you know, I've got a fair few clips of me working out here, so I can post that on YouTube. Another set of lateral raises, and then we'll move to the front raises. We'll do a little drop set for that, but start with these bad boys. Now these bad boys. Could have kept going for that, but chose not to. I don't think I'd do myself any favours if I did do that. That's it. You know what? Maybe I should go up a weight next time. That was fine. We're at a new gym because I was fucking pissing it down. Had to leave, so yeah, walked here because it's like 5 minutes away from the other one. We'll finish off on chest and triceps. These. Go a bit forward. It doesn't really matter how forward you go, but you want to be in this position and you want to just reach out like that and squeeze. You're basically hugging. See? Just squeeze when you go. Stretch when you go back. And you know what, the equipment here is better than the other gym. I will not lie, the equipment at the other gym was really shit. I thought I was going to die when I was using the Smith machine. I wouldn't even call it a Smith machine if I'm going to be honest. It was so wobbly, like I said earlier, but you know what, I made it out alive, that's what that matters. Yeah, I mean, this gym is a pure gym. So the equipment's not top notch, but I mean, it's definitely better than that gym that I've just been to. So yeah, I mean, I like trying out different gyms just to see how things are, what's worth going to and what's not. But even if a gym is shit and it's not good, just going there and just trying it out, it's always fun. All right. Also, if you're doing triceps and you're doing pull downs, I very much recommend the V-bar. It's the best attachment, no discussion, no nothing, it's the best attachment. The way I can feel my triceps when I do the pull down, the activation in it is insane. I love it so much, and I definitely do recommend it. If it's not your thing, fair enough, but it definitely is my sort of thing. So yeah, let's do our set. Hopefully the angle's quite good. Shouldn't be too bad, I guess. Wait, hold on. Do this, see how it goes. That's quite light. Go away. Okay, nice. Squeezing down, making your arm straight, that's activating the tricep. And I mean, there's no point of doing this exercise if you're gonna not grow your triceps. So yeah, let's do it correctly if we are gonna do it. And that's only for the new people, not for the gym goers, because I'm sure you already know about that. But yeah, and give your back a little bend as well. Put yourself into position. And just like that.
wishing well, stop, I can't agree with you, I keep believing this feeling's jealousy. Tell me who was I born to be? What's wrong with me? My jealousy.
Do a drop set. If you're wondering why I'm absolutely shaking, it's because when I do my triceps, I go very high weight. And yeah, that's why I'm shaking, by the way. I'm really focused on getting that weight down. And when you're struggling, that's when you're making the most progress. That's when you've got your muscles working really hard. Which is exactly what you want. Don't get me wrong, go to the gym, do your workout. You don't need to go to failure, but if you do go to failure, you'll feel it and you'll see progress in a very short time, trust me. But yeah, one more set left on triceps, push downs, and I might do a little side tricep push down, just to finish them off. But yeah, it feels like I've done so much today, but I actually haven't. And I think that's partly because we were at 2 gyms, so it does feel like it's been a long time, but let's finish triceps off. And yeah, let's do it.
People don't become successful just by accident. So you got to really have a specific order. To me, you have that vision that I want to be Mr. Universe, that I want to be the greatest bodybuilder of all time, and to lift the trophy overhead, and to win the championship over and over and over again.
You know what? The weight is clearly too low. This machine's really weird though, because the resistance on it, like on the other cable machines in this gym, there's not as strong of a resistance. On this machine there is a big resistance on this cable machine, sorry. So I can feel the weight a lot more, like I can do so much more on the regular ones, but I think I just need to stop talking and get on with my set.
Well, I tell you that I was a perfect example of someone that was not confident at all. I mean, when I was a kid, I was just like any other kid. I had hang-ups and problems and all this. But when I joined the weightlifting club and I won my first little trophy because I did the best clean and jerk.
And then you drop set. Do a little drop set, and then
I started feeling like somebody.
go and again. See one more. And you know what? Might as well call that a day. Being at 2 gyms, good workout there. I mean, I'm not complaining. I don't think it was a bad workout. Got everything I needed to do done. I didn't record me doing rear delts, which I probably should have done, but it's only one muscle group, I know. I've got tons of other videos to record doing my rear delts, so yeah.